kind of thought, damn, actually I forgot that I had to show this. I'm pretty sure I didn't show this. It's black, who cares? Hey guys, now that you got here, welcome back to my channel. This is going to get on my nerves. Hey guys, now that you got here, welcome back to my channel. So, you might have noticed there's something different about me. I've leveled up. Today, I threw together a little something. It's so cute. I feel like hella cute with this look. So I threw this together using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the Brights and my Holy Grail palette that you know I love, my Colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette. So I used these two together. I was feeling kind of like a vibe, like I was so inspired. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. But before we get into the video, don't you forget, don't think just because I got a new beat on that I forgot. Please subscribe to me. It's just hit the button below. It's that simple. Are you subscribed? It takes 2 seconds. Subscribe to me and you'll get more fire looks like this. So let's just get into the details. Okay, so we're starting this tutorial with one eye done. The other eye is just set with concealer and finishing powder. I'm starting with the Colored Raine palette and I'm dipping into Royal Prerogative, which is just a nice beige color just to give my eye some depth already. Then I'm going into Princess on its own, which is a nice mauvey pink. And then I'm going to go back and forth between Princess and Duchess. This is just going to give my eye some depth before I even get into the color. So this is the NYX Ultimate Brights Shadow Palette. I love that there are lots of colors that I need in my collection, and it was only 20 bucks Canadian. Couldn't wait to play with it. I'm starting with the lavender shade on a big fluffy blending brush, just so I can start my gradient off. Then I'm going to take this pink shade on a almost pencil blending brush, but it's just like a denser brush, and then I'm blowing it out with a bigger fluffy blending brush. On a crease brush, I'm taking the deepest purple shade and I'm packing that into my crease. So not that it's a cut crease, but just so I can get that purple pigment in there, and then again, blowing it out with a big fluffy brush. So this is where it gets weird, but totally worked out in the end. I then take the bluish shade, like that royal blue, and I'm again using a different blending brush, but I'm packing it into the crease and blending it out, letting all the colors mix together, just so I could get some vibrant, like, I don't know how to describe it. Mixing all these colors together got my desired look, and I had to do a lot of playing and going back and forth. So you see I just went into the pink, then I went back into the purple, but just so that the look had that dark purple, like that rich feel. You can't use the colors alone sometimes. You have to go back and forth, dip, which is exactly what I'm doing now. I'm going into the blue, and then I end up going into the aquas, and I do all this, but at the end of the day, it made the look come together because the look had so much depth. I don't know if it's gonna get confusing if I don't do a voiceover, but like, just watch me guys. Like, I'm doing light aqua. I feel like I should just shout out the colors. Aqua, purple, pink, dark blue right now, because there's no other way for me to be like, unless I'm showing you super detailed. I don't know. I don't want my video to be too long either, just so you can watch it. But right now I'm going into the dark blue, then I go back into the purple right now. Then I'm gonna hit up that pink. Just try to focus on the brushes. I know it's hard, but try to focus on the brushes. This is all the purple, blowing out the purple, and then I'm gonna go back into the pink, pack on some more of that color, back into the purple. It's all about just kind of watching which brushes I'm using and at what time. Back into the purple. It's a lot, but this was one of those looks that was challenging for me. I don't usually play with color like this. I don't usually do these complex looks, so it was fun. I'm now using MAC Mixing Medium, and I'm going to put that on my lid so that I can have the Colored Raine shadow. What color is that? It is Crown. I wanted that to pop, severely pop from my lid. Then I just took the blue blending brush and blended either side of the semicircle just so it was more natural. And then I used my NYX, I think this is my Intense Vinyl Liner in the shade black, obviously, for my liner today. I then took Crown from the Colored Raine palette to highlight my brow bone. Using Essence Princess Lash Mascara for my mascara today.
And I'm so sorry, but I actually cannot remember for the life of me what lashes I'm wearing today. I want to say they're my Pure lashes, but they could not be. Like, I don't know. But yeah, this is how I put on my lashes. I usually have a mirror below me, and then I look down and I just kind of lay them on, and then I kind of play with them. This is after the glue has dried down a little bit. Then I kind of shift and find their space on my eye. Now I'm packing crown into my inner corners on an eyeliner brush. So I'm taking my Holy Grail foundation, my black Opal True Color Pore Perfecting Foundation. It's $12 Canadian at my local beauty supply store. I can get it basically at any beauty supply store. And it is my favorite. It's a matte finish. It's beautiful. And I thought that it would just set the tone. A great canvas for this eye look. And since my boyfriend Tyler always wants to call me out, I'm blending out the foundation and concealer around my eyebrows. He's always like, you got white around your eyebrows. It doesn't look natural. Listen here. Can't tell me nothing today, okay? Now I'm using my Estee Lauder, Double Wear foundation just under my eyes. I like that it gives me a little bit of a dewy finish, more skin-like. And I bought the wrong shade. Look at this. This is too light. This is almost the highlight shade for me. So I use it under my eyes, and then I take my NYX HD concealer on top of that. This is a full beat, guys, so don't expect this look to be natural. I'm just saying right now, for the record, this is full beat. We're blending out the concealer. Call it a day. Then taking my NYX contour palette, I'm taking the deepest shade in that palette. I think it's Espresso if you want to buy it in the jar at NYX for like 10 bucks. And I'm just lightly, I'm not doing a heavy contour today. I wanted the face to be subtle, as weird as that seems. We're doing a light contour, just lightly dusting the areas we want to shadowify. And then we're blending out those shadows. And for the record, I know shadowify is not a real word, okay? Then I'm just setting my contour with my MAC Studio Fix powder, lightly dusting it and just setting those areas. For the first time in my life, I'm baking. Okay, I'm using my Black Opal oil blocking powder to bake today, and then I'm dusting it away like right away. I didn't like sit there and was like, okay, I'm gonna seriously bake. No, I just kind of put it there, let it all sit, then I dusted it all off. My Holy Grail blush. I feel like everything in my collection is a Holy Grail. This is Lise Watier's Moka. I love this bloody color. It looks so good. As you can see, hit pan. Then, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's highlight time. Today we're using Artist Couture. What did we use? What is this? I feel like this is Double Take. It is definitely Double Take. Love it. It looks good on everybody. Honestly, I'm so excited for Artist Couture to hit Sephora. I think I will be broke because I will get to try every single color. Beautiful, beautiful highlight. I recommend everyone grab them once they hit, okay? Highlighting key areas down my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my temples. Okay, and I'm lining my lips with my, again, another Holy Grail, MAC's Bittersweet, but a new Holy Grail that I want you guys to know, and this is NUDESTIX Greystone. This is a very expensive lipstick, but a beautiful lipstick nonetheless. And now for my least favorite part about makeup. I can't swear. Under eye colors. I hate them. As you can see, my eyes are struggling. It's a struggle bus. We're going from lightest to darkest, except for that lavender shade. Ignore that, but we're doing that pink, that purple, that pink, that purple again to get that nice under eye shade, and then we're putting bottom and top mascara on. Now just combing out this wig, girl. She's made it a long way. This is my first wig that I did my original wig video on. She's blonde now, she cute or whatever. Also, guys, I can't swear if my nieces and nephews watch this, so cleaning up my act, you know?
So thanks so much for watching that video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You better share that video. If you enjoyed it even remotely, just share it once. Share it with one person. You'd be surprised how far it goes. Also, if you missed me just a little bit, or you are new to my Natalie G family and you'd like to get to know me a little bit better, I'll put some other videos here for you to watch, and don't ever hesitate to subscribe. I'll put a button here for you to do that as well. So again, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.